Hello, I'm Eli Bartlett, and for my project I chose to model a Mitsubishi Heavy Industries small 16G turbocharger. My goal was to create a model that could potentially be produced real world. I drew 16 of the main components the actual turbo operates with. I used precision measurements of parts on hand to recreate the actual product. I used hundreds of sketches composed of construction lines, relations, mirrors, patterns, and converted entities in keeping dimensional integrity. I attempted to use as many SolidWorks tools as possible to maintain shape, dimension, and geometric transition. No detail was overlooked. Special attention was given to creating effective turbine wheel geometry and laminar airflow paths within the housings. To create the paths smoothly within the bodies, I used lofted cuts across several reference planes. Making complete cuts with a single loft proved difficult, so I broke them down into parts. The exhaust turbine housing is modeled with an internally pumped wastegate with operational flapper designed in-house. The compressor turbine was drawn with varying sized blades to recreate the most surface area possible, increasing boost potential. The impeller and shaft were replicated, including the threading. Even oil flow was considered in the centerpiece. I tested my compressor flow pressures against known values and found my values to be within a magnitude of 10 psi. There is no sound more iconic to the car enthusiast than the spool of a turbocharger. Thanks for watching, and happy boosting.